Hello guys, I am Shamim and this channel is Tech Danger. This video actually for how to use and Discord. What is Discord and how can we use it? First of all, open and Discord, register for logging. I am simply register and simply phone number for email. I am email and so I am simply below of this email and simply tap to display name and name enter. So my name is Shamim and this type of this Shamim and next and simply username and password, type this password this simply and select of this date of birth now and select date of birth and click confirm account and simply confirm now and just simply a small game and select of this image now. So confirm in this account of allow and skip, so simply allow. I go to play skip now and skip and confirm skip, really confirm and skip, register and just photo. I am skip this process. This app interface front and running me and click the plus icon and choose the category. I choose and gaming category, this server category, me and my friend. For a club and community, I simply click the friend and me and mean friend. So choose the Discord name and upload this Discord profile picture and photos. So simply upload this profile picture and photos and choose the name. So I simply choose my name, my first name you choose. So simply type of this Shamim. So my profile is done, create and server. So share and link to friend WhatsApp group and Telegram group to your share your link your friend. This link is copy, share your WhatsApp group, click of this link and directly Discord server and open. So join your friend of link, create of gaming and tap to gaming your lobby. So I will see tap your gaming. So simply for join your mics to video calls, mics and gaming messages and my friend is joined now and simply for join is my friend and mic on and mic options and video calls to more and this right now select of this game are open Discord in PC. So simply and screen share, so simply screen share this then PC and to tap screen share to not a mobile, only PC for this screen share option is enable. So simply cut off this call and cut out this call and simply cut this call. You can use and Discord gaming events and just fun now, especially for gameplay and use Discord. So very important and Discord to Discord server and gaming use to event like event and just fun chill and anything. So simply friend join and Discord server to your messages and emojis like GFX and anything for you can. So Discord server is very important and edit now to account edits to Discord server edit. You can talk to many fans and watch. You can talk to your 100 peoples and watch to your one Discord server. So I also very useful and feature now and especially for PC and computers system, to very useful feature and Discord server to your especially for gaming and events organized to your Discord server, very useful and apps and websites. So I'm ending to your video here and any question for your comment section. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye.